Good evening, everyone. Welcome back. Welcome back with the additional of today's newspaper on Tuesday, November the 5th, 2024. And we have here 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 stars Sudoku. We have 2 jigsaw Sudokus, one with 4 stars, one with 1 star. In Dutch, they call it cipher block. In Japanese, Suguru. And the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. These puzzles, I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve, not all. Why not? Well, it's too much for me, time consuming, and I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. And besides, this afternoon I've already solved 3 puzzles, so there's a lot of puzzles for a day. Yeah, otherwise it will be a day job for me. Anyway, let me continue with the 3 stars Sudoku. Number 9536. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 26 printed digits. Usually the 3 stars has 25. This one has 26. Should be a 2 stars puzzle here. For 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. Well, it's indicated with 3 stars for 3 stars puzzle. 20 to 30 minutes. Question is this a 3 stars or 2 stars puzzle? We don't know, we will see. So let's get started. Let me see which number can I pick. How about the 4 in this row, 4 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only place level 4, it should be there. 7. Yeah. 7 in the last column, 7 in the column next. On that column, only 2 places level 7 should be here. On there, we have a 7 in the first row, no 7 there. 7 should be there. Need a 3 here. Need a 6 there. 666. 666. 66. 6, yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in the middle column, no 6 in these 2 boxes. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 in those 2 boxes. So the 6 in this big square could be here, could be there. 6 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, 6 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 3 places level the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 in the middle row, no 6 there. Only place level 6 should be there. Then let me see. 4, 4, 4, 4. Come on. 9, 5. Oh, yeah. Okay. In this big square, we need a 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 in these 3 boxes. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 in those 2 boxes. So the 9 could be here, could be there. And we have a pair. 5 in this row. Last row. 5 in the row above. So that row, only 3 places level 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. So the 5 goes together with the 9 as a pair. Okay. 6, 5, 9, 7. 2. In this big square, we need a 2. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 in these 2 boxes. 2 could be here, could be there. No 2, needed 2 there. 2, need a 1. Need a 4. Yeah. 4 in the first column, 4 in the second column, so the third column, the only place level 4 should be there. 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in the second row, no 9 in these 2 boxes. We have a 9 in the middle column, no 9 in those 2 boxes. So the 9 in this big square could be here, could be there. 9. Okay, 9. 9. Need a 9 there. 9. Need a 7 here. Come on, come on, come on. 7. In this column, the third column, we need a 7. We have a 7 in this big square, so no 7 in these 3 boxes. So the 7 could be here, could be there. Here or there, we see another 7 in the last row. No 7, there's 7. Should be there. So we have a 7 in this row, 7 in the last row. So no row between, only 2 places left for the 7. Could be here, could be there. Here we have a 7 in the first row, 7 in the third row. So no row between. The second row, the only 2 places left for the 7. Could be here, could be there. Here we have a 7, there we have a 7. That means in the middle column, the 7 should be in one of these 3 boxes. We have a 7 in this row, no 7, there's 7. Could be here, could be there. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in the first column, no 7 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 7 in this big square. Should be there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with the 7. We have a 7 in the middle row, no 7 there. 7 should be there then. 8. 8, need 8. 8 in this column, 8 in that column. So the column 3 in the middle column, now only 2 places left for the 8. Could be here, could be there. Need 8 here. Need 8, 1, and 5. Yeah, 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are 1 is missing, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 1, 5, 8, 1, 5, 8, 1, 5, 8, 1, 5, 8. And look, we have 1 and a 5 in this row. No 1 and 5 in this box. 1 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes. So 1 digit left, so with 8. 8, 8, 8, 8, 8. 8, need 8 there. 8, 8, need 8 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. 1 of the missing numbers is 8. We have 8 in this column, no 8 in these 2 boxes. Here and 8 in this row, no 8 in those 2 boxes. So the 8 in this big square could be here, could be there. 8 in one of those 2 boxes in the last row, 8 in that row. So the row between the only 2 places left with 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in the column next on last column, only 3 places left with 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 could be here, could be there. 3. Here 2 numbers left. I believe 1 is missing, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing, 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5. 5, need a 5 here. No, 5 there. 5 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, 5 in the third column. So the column between only 2 places left with 5. Could be here, could be there. 5, 2, 3. Well, 5, need a 5 there. 5, 5, 5, 5. No 5 here. 5, 5, 5, need a 3. No 3 here. Come on, come on, come on. 4, 4. In this big square, we need a 4. We have a 4 in the last row, no 4 in these 2 boxes. We have 4 in this column, no 4 in those 3 boxes. So the 4 could be here, could be there. 4, need a 4 there. In this big square, we need a 4. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 in these 3 boxes. So the 4 could be here, could be there. We have a pair. The 1 in the last column, 1 in the column next. So that column, the only 2 places left with 1 goes together with the 2 as a pair. 1 and a 2. Okay, so 1 digit left in this big square for numbers 1 and 2. The 3, the 4 is missing. Mark those 2 boxes earlier with the 4. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be there, and 1 box left now in this column for number 1 and 2. 3 is missing. Need a 5, need a 6, need a 2, 5, 6. 6 should be here. 2, okay. Let me think. 6, 6, 6, 6, 6. 6, 6, 6, 6. 1, 2, 3, 3, 6, and the 9. 3 missing numbers in this column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, 4, the 5, 6 is missing, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 3, 6, 9, 3, 6, 9, 3, 6, 9, 3, 6, 9, and look, we have 6 and a 9 in this row. No 6 and 9 in this box. 6 and 9 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 6 and 9, 6 and a 9. We have a 9 in one of those two boxes in this row. No 9 there. 9 should be here. 6 goes there. So 1 digit left in the first column for number 3. Okay. So we have 3 in this row. Oh, wait. Mark those two boxes with a 4. We have a 4 in this row. No 4 there. 4 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this row. For numbers 1 is missing 1 and a 7. 1, 8, 9. One of the missing number in this big square is number 9. We have a 9 in this column. Second column, no 9 in these two boxes. So 1 box left for 9 in this big square. Should be there. And I've eliminated here the 8. So the 8 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 1. 1 and a 2. We have 1 in this one. No 1 there. 1 should be here. And the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in the last row for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. 2 and the 6, 2 and 6. We have a 6 in the middle column. No 6 there. 6 should be here. 2 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square for number the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 3, 3 here. In this big square we need 3. We have 3 in this column, no 3 in these 3 boxes. We have 3 in the middle row, no 3 in those 3 boxes. So the 3 could be here, could be there. 3 in one of those two boxes in this row, 3 in the middle row, so the row above the only place left for the 3 should be there. 1 box left in this row for number 1, 2 is missing. We have a pair, the 2, yeah, yeah. Yeah, we have a pair. Wait. 9 in this row, 9 in the second row, so in the first row, the only 2 places left for 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in the second row, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 in the third row, 2 in the second row, so in the first row, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4. 5 is missing, 6 is missing, 5 and the 6, 5 and the 6. We have 6 in the last column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and 5 goes there. 5 and a 9, we have 5 in the last column, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 9 goes there. So 2 numbers left in the last column for numbers 1. The 2 is missing, 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 8 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 9 is missing here. Then 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places left for 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in the middle row, no 9 there, 9 should be here. Then 6 in this row, 6 in the second row, so in the first row, the only place left for 6 should be there. 1 box left now in the first row for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left for 5 should be there. 1 and a 5, we have a 5 now in the middle row, no 5 there, 5 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Then 2, wait. 1, 7, 3 is missing, okay. 3 is missing. 1 and a 7. Come on. 2 numbers left in this row for numbers. 1 is missing and a 3 is missing. 1 and a 3, 1 and a 3. So I've eliminated here the 8. Here can be an 8. We have 8 there, so the 8 should be there. 1 box left in this big square for number 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing here. About these 2 missing numbers in this column for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We have 8 in the second row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and 1 goes there. 1 in the first row, 1 in the second row, so in the third row, the only place level 1 should be there. 1 in the 3, we have a 1 in the middle column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 3 goes in there. 1 in the 7, we have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 7 goes there. And 2 numbers left in this big square for number 1. The 2, 3 is missing. 3 in the 7, 3 in the 7. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 3 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers 1 and 2. 3 is missing. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. We have 3 in the second row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 5 goes in there. Finish in 15 minutes. Well, not faster than 15, so let me give this 2 stars. And I like this one, yes I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the other 3 puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.